make una the men who una go dey shake for Nigeria especially people wey dey come from Europe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about this woman wey dem dey call Kate wey go Nigeria. So as she go Nigeria, many of una go don hear this topic. This video wey one woman wan shake am, she come dey after he wan embrace the woman no gree make he embrace am. So e come be like say na shake, dey shake each other. So when the woman just comot for where e dey, she come look this side, nobody dey look her. She come carry sand for ground, she come take rub e hand. So the thing come dey shocktalize everybody, say wetin come be the meaning of that thing wey Kate do? Why she do that thing? Nobody know wetin the reason why she can't carry sand for ground take clean her hand. This video when I dey tell una, so all the social media bloggers they carry am, even Insta blog, Today Elliot, all of them carry the video. Instagram, Leader AKG, all the social media handle, they carry this video. So the thing come dey shocktalize everybody, say wetin be the reason why Kate carry sand for ground take rub her hand? Nobody know. So I come say make I use this video to tell people, say not be everybody na you go dey shake. I don't know, say this woman when she come social media, she present herself say she na wish. You say na she be. So una say if anybody offend her, she go carry you go begin to evoke their spirit, you go begin to do so many things. So the thing can't really shock everybody, say I been na the reason why she do this thing. And me go see the surprise, say how somebody go say in a wish, it go still the fear to want shake somebody. Mona raising that part to wish see the fear. Hey, now Kate, so now me tell you no, say wish to is see the fear. Una dey understand, my darling people. So the thing come shock me, say wetin come make Kate do that thing when he do? Me, I no really understand. My ogbonge people, this thing, this matter serious, so e serious, not be small. She carry sand for ground, begin dey use am take dey clean e hand. Hey, my people, how una reason this matter? Because her matter now just come mainly for ground. Now inside the ogbonge gist, now we for see picture of Faith when they go tie for somewhere. Now inside this matter, now we still see picture where they tie for somewhere. So this matter now, it just gets as it be. Everybody now just the shock, say wetin dey play, wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen, wetin dey play. This social media, so we everybody just dey watch, so some people na head na dey take stand o. Some people na head na dey take stand, they no stand with their real body o. Make una dey careful, una no go hear. Make una dey careful for wetin dey happen this period. The thing just dey shocktalize everybody. Inside this matter, now we see say somebody picture dey inside coven. So if you go Nigeria, you wey come for Europe, you go Nigeria, you no want make person shake you. Because I believe, say if you know they do bad, you no go dey fear say bad thing what happen to you. You understand? Okay, what be the meaning of that sand? wey Kate carry for ground begin to dey clean im hand. Wetin be the meaning? Wetin cause that thing? Na that part na nobody understand. So wetin be the meaning of that thing? Wetin make Kate do that thing? Nobody know. This matter serious o. This matter strong o. Una no go understand. This matter una just dey look so. E strong, no be small. E serious, no be small. Wetin make Kate carry sand for ground take clean im hand? That matter dey ground o. And una hear many things wey im friend talk, wey im bestie talk. Wetin dem dey call am? Sarah T. Boss. E talk so many things o. She talk say Kate na manipulator. Kate dey always dey get this heaviness for people. Na im make e dey insult people well well. She talk, una know say na Sarah na im near Kate well well. Na only Sarah go fit really tell us who Kate be. Sarah and Faith. You understand? Person go just come and say in and wish. It shock me o. Even people wey be wish sef, dem no go even talk and come out, but she talk her own. She talk and koro. I remember one time when I carry her video, she come go use me do video, say he wan carry my enemy go there Akovu. I was like, wetin don reach like that now? Because of video? Na wow. Upon us say, the one wey even dey shock me pass say, upon us say she still talk and say she na wish. People no still dey fear am for social media. If she talk to them, they still dey answer am fast, bomber to bomber. They no dey even fear. Na there I know say people no dey fear wish o. Una forget that thing o. Even when she still talk and say she na wish, they no still dey fear. Una dey hear matter. Social media don turn another thing. No be so e be before o. People dey do saga before, they go still rest. This time I will see say even with saga, they go still carry the person, go in name, carry go native doctor, carry in name, go different places because of saga. Now wow, not wey Musa no go see for gate o, not wey person no go see for this social media. So my ogbonge people, anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave una comment for the comment section. We will go from there. Thank you. Please help me to share this video so that may see reach 1 or 2 people. And thank you. Bye.